it's Kathy O. Hey, look what I got in the mail today. It's June Kudos for 75 bucks, people. Look at this. This cute little travel bag. How awesome is that? Look inside. Look, there's a place, little pockets where you can put your brushes or your mascara or your lips or your whatever you want to, but it goes in there. And then look inside. And look what you get inside for $75. You will get a set of 3D mascara. You will get the Loyal lip gloss, which is just a clear. But what's so fun about this, if you have our liners or our lip stains, you can apply the gloss right over the top, and that gives you the shine. Also, another fun thing to do, if you have our pigments, say like in Heartbroken, you can add some into the inside and then just mix it up like this, and then you have a new color. So how fun is that? Also comes with this cute little mirror. But remember, if you're ding-dong like me, I kept saying, "Ooh, it's so blurry, what is up?" There's a little plastic film over there, so take that off so it's a nice, clean little mirror. Anyway, inside the bag, you get that. You get the Tenacious Cream eyeshadow. I love the cream eyeshadow. No creasing, people. No greasing. Love it. And then you also get the little brush that comes to apply your cream eyeshadow. How awesome is that? Did I say, how cute is this bag? Look at this bag. So cute. You put all your products in there, throw it in your purse, throw it in your car, you're ready to go. You're traveling, there you go. Your products are right in there. And this cute little bag. But did you see the big bags? We have big bags in our collections. This is the big bag. Looks just the same, but bigger. Or you get this cute little bag. So for $75, you get all the products and the cute little bag. You can get it through June only at my website, www.kathyo3dlashes.com. Hey, look me up on Facebook, on YouTube. Thanks, guys. Bye.